Are all 17 of you here? Yes, Miss Ortega. Yes, Miss Ortega. Excellent. Time to go to slime dance class.
Let's dance, y'all! Oh no!
Slime? What's wrong?
I just can't dance anymore. I'm just not good enough. I don't know how I can teach other people to dance when I don't even believe in myself.
We need to show Slime how great Slime is. Maybe we can remind them why they love dancing. Miss Ortega, where should we start? That's a great question. I have some ideas. Why don't we start with a new kind of dancing? You know what's special about moonwalking? Once you get to the moon, some very exciting things start to happen. There's a whole new world out there. The dancers who have already gotten past the moon might have some tips for Slime on how to aim higher. What's happening? This has never happened before. It definitely has. Whoa, whoa, hold on. Where are we? I can't be sure. I think... No, it can't be. Have we moonwalked to the Mars? We moonwalked past the moon. It's a miracle we can breathe. And gravity is working too. And it's not even that cold. Well, that's one heck of a plot hole, yeah. But let's see what happens. There must be something here that can help us help Slime. Look, what's that?
Gabba dabba doo!
Who are you?
Me?
Yes.
Zortog.
Zortog, we are looking for something. Something very important. Would you please help us? Please, please, please!
I want to help, but I don't know if I can because you haven't told me what you need. I can't read minds, you know.
Right, okay. Well, you know Slime?
Slime? It's the best! It runs the best dance classes in the galaxy! It always works the glutes!
Right, yes. Well, our Slime has stopped dancing. It doesn't think it's good enough anymore. No matter what we tell it. Yeah! It's just lost all its self-confidence, and we need help. Do you know how to help us?
Absolutely! I can take you back to your home planet! Come on, let's go!
Hey, Slime! Hey, Slime!
Oh. Hi.
Slime, we brought a friend. This is Zortog. Zortog, this is Slime.
The Slime? The one and only Gabba Dabba Glute Working Slime?
Once upon a time.
Once upon a time? Come on, get up, show me what moves you've been working on.
I can't dance.
I know you can.
Not a chance.
Come on, if I can do this,
Well,
then you can do it too.
no. Your knees. They're too far out. You have to keep them contained. Like this, watch.
Look, everyone, Slime's dancing.
Hey! I forgot how fun this was.
Hey, let's throw a big party to celebrate. And invite aliens and family members? You bet. It looks like Slime needs to be reminded why it loves dancing.
Hey, Slime, do you want to learn a new move? It'll take you all the way to Mars.
This is like being in outer space.
if you're ready. I don't want to take you away from your pupils, but do you want to go beyond the moon with me? It's where all the dancers who really love to dance go.
Well, my friends, it looks like I've taught you all I can. Dancing is an important life skill, but I needed your help to teach me the most important lesson of all. I should never have given up on my dancing. My friend, I'm so grateful to you for starting the movement to get me dancing again. Do you think you can keep it going while I'm gone?
Slime, I'd love to.
Goodbye, my